Hello everyone, welcome to GW Pro Trading Community. It's good Michael here, and in this video we're going to be looking at USDZAR. I'm going to be counting the waves with you, and I'm going to be doing a multi-timeframe analysis and also showing you the wave count and also when I intend to approach this one. Without any further ado, let's get straight into the chart. If you're new to this channel, I recommend that you subscribe and also smash on the notification bell on this channel so you'll be getting information whenever I post content such as this one. Whenever I'm counting the waves, I do a multi-timeframe analysis as well, doing the Elliot wave, and also show you points of view and also where you can start looking for trade opportunities, as well as where you want to be looking for entries as well, and also exit, and where you can also potential take profit areas as well. Let's just dive into it and then see what's happening. We did have a move up here and we did have a move down there, the zone. However, this doesn't fit into wave count, so I will not be looking at this wave count. But however, we did see a start of a new wave to the upside, which also created higher high, higher low, higher high, and then higher low, also a higher high, which then created a wave one. All right, so we can look at this as an ABC, start of a new wave. We can look at this as a 5-wave move, start of a new wave. All right, this you're going to find structures like this in also textbooks. All right, because these structures also happen and also occur in the market, and they're real structures, so you need to understand how you can also play around these kind of structures. And it's also going to improve your trading life if you would understand this as well. All right, so you may want to find wave 2 having to be an impulse with a corrective wave and then continue to upside. All right, you can also expect that the wave 2 could also be an ABC sort of pattern. All right, but the wave 1 to 2 could also be a complex pattern. All right, you need to also be able to identify this. All right, so here we're looking at a possible A, B, C, D, and then an E to start of the wave 1, and then we have a drop to downside, which also created the wave 2. Right, so if we go ahead then put up our Fibonacci tools right here, we're going to see that this area also fits better for a wave 2 as price goes just slightly below the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement of the swing. All right, so we then also have it that price then traveled over a distance to create wave 3 right up there. All right, breaking the extreme of wave 1 to create a wave 3. All right, so we could be looking at a corrective wave to form the wave 4. Right, however, this corrective wave here is then showing signs of becoming an expanded flat. Okay, as also we have a drop to downside here, and we have some consolidation here, and then we have price and continue to drop. So we had a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. All right, so we had 5 move down, created also a wave 5 or wave A, right here. All right, so I want to be looking at this as a wave 3, all right, 3, 4, 5. You look at this as this is going to be wrong, all right, because it's going to be wrong in many ways. It's going to be wrong in also the time travel. All right, it took about, go ahead, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 years to travel to create a wave 3. Will take only 1, 2 to complete the wave 4. All right, that's going to be wrong. That's going to be wrong. All right, this is so unproportional. All right, we want to have it that wave 4 should travel at least the time taken to create wave 3. Also have that wave 4 could also travel that time or even more than, right, for effect wave 4. All right, for laws of proportion to fit in well. All right, so for this one here, we're looking at the wave 3. We're looking at this as an expanded flat. We have wages A leg right here, and we have the B leg just breaking slightly above the extreme of wave 3. Then we have this drop to downside to complete the wave C. All right, so however, if this is going to be true for this, we're going to be looking at a possibility that price could also start moving up from that point to the upside. However, if that is complete, I want to see two possibilities. All right, so I want to see price then create a valid wave cap. All right, I want to see price create a valid structure. A valid structure for a trade. All right, a valid structure to be able to take some trade. And at this point here, we're looking at this current market structure here. We did have a wave create here, which could also form a leading diagonal right here. And this could also be a wave A. All right, so this is our wave 1. And we can also have the ABC could also be in this format to create a B of an expanded flat. Then we could have price then start from that point to go down. However, what we're going to be doing with this one here, we're going to be looking for only bullish opportunities. All right, on the completion, we do not know if this is complete. However, if price makes a higher high and also a double top, from that point on, we can just start looking at price then breaking to the downside. However, at the break of this, we can also see price stall a little while around here, and we could also look at some structures here, say a wedge pattern or a channel downward channel, all right, or a flat, all right, and then we could look at price then exploding to the side. Once that also comes in play, we're going to be looking to take a buy track. I'm going to also be informing you also on this channel as well, so you can also take that trade with us when that is ready. All right, so you can look at taking, if you're not a real conservative trader, you can look at taking some long opportunities here at some retest points, but I'm not going to be doing that. All right, I'm not going to be doing that, and I wouldn't recommend that for anyone, right? Because that is going to be so wrong. All right, that's going to be so wrong, and you are not sure if this could also be the completion point of this. However, price could also move back to retest that structure there and could also start going down from that point. All right. However, if you subscribe to this channel, you're going to get all the full breakdowns when that is ready as well. As well, we could also be having the equation of the wave 1, and also we could also having wave 2 starting to create here, and we could also have price and slide to the downside from that point. See you next time. Love you all. Subscribe, like, share. That's going to help in the creation of more educational videos.